me tell you a secret. The voices you hear in your head, you know what I mean. The all voices. You have a lot. Come here. They are not yours. They are not yours. You have only one. You have only one voice. But the thing is, okay, so the other people's voices, you believe it's yours. You believe the other voices you hear, and you forgot your own. You believe that your voice doesn't know. The truth is, your voice knows. It's you. Your voice, it's yours. You know what you want. You know what you don't want. You know what you want to achieve. He tells you about your dream. The thing is, you believed the other voices outside. So you keep struggling all your life, recognizing your own voice, but you don't believe it. Sad reality.